Hello, today we are making a video about fidget toys, particularly mine. Today we are joined by a very special guest, this tiny pig that makes noise. It's turned off right now, but yeah. Puppet section, bad side, good side, and this one just plain sucks. It pops up on its back on its own. And I hate it. But I have an infinity cube, chain, bike chain, brain. It's not the best, but it's okay. Another fidget spinner that just sucks. I mean, it's not the worst, but it's definitely not the best. Yeah, I got a bunch of these, including one I broke, but I still like to keep it. And Taco Cat! Taco Cat! 2 pea pods. Monkey noodles. Don't know what this is, but you do stuff with it. This is a secret box. This is also a secret box. Then, I made all of these. Water. Water and glitter. Water and glitter. Water. Happy. Go away. Then there's just, I like this one. And then this one's the only flower one, because I broke the other one, but I love it. Mr. Pig will be helping us rate some of these. Aren't you, Mr. Pig? That's a yes. Marble meshes, wacky tracks, lots of wacky tracks, squishy dragon. Okay, ready for the secret boxes. Box number 1. This box isn't really fidgets, but okay. Box number 1. Oh, jeez. Starry the starfish. Yeah. Perfect. Mr. Hedgehog. Feels really nice. Gary. Chicken Little, which already has a hole in it because my little sister. Okay, stay Chicken Little. Stay Chicken Little. Then, last but not least, Mr. Hippo. Put them back in the box. Organize this stuff later. For now, my Pokemon cards. Don't know what this is. Leave in a comment below if you do. But there's quite a bit. Look at another one of my videos for how to play the Pokemon card game, and I'll be showing off all my Pokemon cards in that video. So later in the week, I'm going to be trading some of my fidget toys and Pokemon cards. So check back in with me and Mr. Pig for later. But first, Mr. Pig's going to be rating stuff. Okay. Okay, so what do you rate these? What do you rate these? 4. How about these? 2. Making a video. What about these wacky tracks, Mr. Pig? What do you rate them? 6. How about all my poppets?